There we go. You'd be like, Mrs. Tacklebox, Mrs. Tacklebox, keep catching fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna head down here. We got a pretty interesting weather front coming in tomorrow morning, you know, so it'll be 100% all day tomorrow, and then some like nasty weather on top of that for the next 4 days. So my prediction here is that they're gonna be actually feeding pretty good today, just because they want to catch up on before the you know, the storm comes in. So we'll see if we can get on them, guys. All right, wish me luck. You know, how complex these waves are. There's no mistaking where I'm at right now, so we'll just kind of chip away. Been kind of targeting this area as of late, and if they are here, then they are here, but if they're not, they're not. Predicted to be about, you know, 6.5 actually today. So we'll see. We'll just kind of work this area till, you know, we have something. This water looks juicy, but I'm gonna work it until maybe 6 o'clock today, if I'm lucky. If I don't get a call from the missus. I'll work this beach just a little bit. I got the Battle Star on today. Right there. Had jiu-jitsu promotions today, this morning, and you know, my those students are important to me. Decent size. Waiting for it to kind of drop in. You know, like I said, you know, it gets kind of complicated, you know, as the right there. Nice little hook set there. Hell yeah. Afternoon delight. Sky rockets in flight. Here it is, baby. You know, God. Sorry. Let's get you out first. On the corner of the mouth there. God. Once we dial in on them, I can actually, God, you know, we can key in on them. You know, I don't know, if I had to guess, probably about 11. This is a good size too, you know, feisty guy. Going home with me, unfortunately, so hell yeah, here it is. Feisty guy. Found him. There we go. We'll wait till this tide actually turns around. You know, the rest of the water that I was looking at, you know, the water hadn't come in yet, so, you know, just be aware that you got to move to these deeper holes and you'll find them just like this. All right, guys, we're gonna grub the opposite direction here, but it seems like some of these fish, you know, have moved back into this. Had a couple of missed strikes already. I didn't document, but I'm just going to continue to work this trough until I'm on the way out. Now the rig is actually coming towards me. It's moving from, you know, north to south here. So, oh my God, there it is. Not very big. Not very big. But I knew, well, not bad. Pulling a little drag there. There we go. Not quite clean barred, but yeah. Get you a little bit closer here. Beautiful. Let's clean this camera number 2. It is late, and some of these fish have ooh, barely got that guy too. You know, hit it the first time. Not the cleaner barred that I'm after, but hey, this pre-storm conditions, you know, you gotta take a chance in hitting them before, you know. So not a bad size. If I had to guess, that's probably, you know, good 11 and a half there, 11 and a quarter. So that's 2 11s today, you know, on the slider there. Woo! Let's try to hit this a little bit before our session is done. Let's see if we can get one more, guys. All right, you know, these fish are essentially moving in, which is great. Wish I could have done that. Whoa, go out. Mother. Oh my God. My hair. My hair. Come on. I gotta work fast. 10-15 minutes maybe. God, got me good with that one, guys. Mother Nature said nope. Salt. That's what my wife said the other day. Came home and she greeted me, and man, I guess I tasted like a salt lick or something. There you go. Fish on, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's a good size right there. Another big one. Pre-storm conditions, guys. Pre-storm conditions. Yeah. I was kind of on my way out until I nailed this guy. Look at that. Mike's tackle box here. Doing work. Oh my God. I really got it on the bottom of the lip that time. Woo! Mike's tackle box, baby. Pardon me. All right. Not too much longer. Ah. Woo! Hell yeah. Pre-storm conditions, baby. Beautiful. Yes! If you guys were Mrs. Tacklebox, right? And your husband was on some fish, would you get mad? Nah, you can't get mad. Let alone, you can't get mad at me. You know? Be like, nah, honey, go ahead. Keep fishing. Keep catching fish. Because right now, there we go. You'd be like, Mrs. Tacklebox, Mrs. Tackle Box. Keep catching fish. It's kind of the way I look at it. All right, maybe one more. Maybe one more. Okay. Maybe one more. That would be suitable, right? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for me out here. Definitely did some research on the pre-storm conditions. Didn't get them on the lure today, but definitely on the grubs, of course. So when it came down to it, it was about bringing, you know, a select few of some grubs, different colors, different colored flake. That was key today to getting on them in these pre-storm conditions. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Until then, guys, buenas noches as always.